Welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will learn about quote management. Let's talk about key features and benefits. Quote allows your customers to share their requirement of placing an order with bulk quantity, different additional options, or in a different timelines. It helps you to manage all your quote history in the admin. Code can be converted directly into orders from back end as well. After receiving the code request, you can easily perform actions on the code and even assign it to the printers, etc., all from the admin panel. Let's have a look into the admin. We go to view quotes. Here we can see all the quotes received from your customers. If you want to place a quote from the backend, here's the button. Just click on add new quote. Here you can put the quote title, put the first name, email address, last name, and enable this notify button to notify to the customer. After entering all these details, your code will be placed. If customer places a code from the front, here you can see the code form. So if the product is existing, here customer need to select from the drop down. Or if customer places a custom code, here they can put the details of the product. So suppose if it's a business card quantity, let's say 100 details, we can put over here. And after adding all the details, click on save and continue. Here you can see the code is placed when you put the details over here. So this is the code has been generated successfully. Now we go to the code section. Here we can see the details of the code. Just click on edit. So currently the code is showing quotation pending, where we can see the product details given over here. And here are the quote actions which we need to perform, whether we want to enter the quote price, post message to the customer, or cancel the quote. And admin can put the comments over here. They can upload a sample job over here and then send it to the customer. Here we need to put the price for 100 quantity. Suppose it's $50. Number of days we can put 2 days and then click on save. So here you can see it's changed to quotation now. And when customer goes to their account, so here they can see the details of the quotation. They can approve it or reject it. And if they have approved, they can put the comments and then they can approve the code. So here we have an option where customer either can convert this code to the order from the front end, or else we have one option from the back end. If you refresh this page, here you can see the quotation is approved now. And here you have option to convert to the order directly from the admin. So if you click on here, it will ask you to check the product and then click on continue. So once you click on continue and click on OK, the order will be placed. So here it will ask you to enter the shipping and billing details and click on confirm order. So here the new order is placed successfully. So in this way, we can create a quotation into the order. And here also we have option, if you have a printer to whom you want to send the quotation, you can share the quotation to the printer by assigning them. And after the printer approves the quotation, then the quote can be proceed in the same manner. So for that, here we can see there are certain quotations are there which are assigned to the printer. So this here we can put the comment and save. And after that, when you see here, when the printer approves the code, then it will be showing over here. Thanks for watching this video. In case of any further queries, feel free to connect with us. Thank you.